Thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd, 2008. And American Electric Power will use proceeds from $275 million hybrid issue to fund ongoing construction projects and repay short-term debt, according to Power Finance and Risk. Vice President and Senior Credit Officer at Moody's Investment Services, James Hempstead, said they have a very large capital investment program that is underway. Moody rated the hybrids Baa3. The 8.75% subordinated debentures mature March 1st, 2063. Citigroup, Merrill Lynch, Morgan Stanley, UBS Investment Bank, and Wachovia Securities served as joint book running managers on the sale, with Citi and Merrill also acting as joint structuring advisors and Goldman Sachs serving as co-manager. Staying with capital markets news, Energy Recovery Incorporated plans to launch an initial public offering of common stock, according to a Securities and Exchange Commission filing, reports the Associated Press. Energy Recovery did not disclose the size or price range of the IPO, but indicated the offering price may be as much as $175 million. The company noted that the offering price was estimated solely to calculate its registration fee and may change. Energy Recovery said some shareholders will also sell stock as part of the IPO. And in other capital markets news, MercadoLibre has abandoned plans to sell a block of shares worth up to $292 million. The Argentine online trading platform withdrew the offering through a filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission without giving much detail, according to Latin Finance. Executives close to the process told Latin Finance the company's investors decided the deal would not make sense at the current market. Among the company's main shareholders are the private equity firms Hicks, Muse, Tate, and First, General Atlantic, Tiger Global, as well as an online auction company, eBay. JP Morgan and Merrill Lynch were slated to lead the offering, which may still come back later in 2008. And in capital markets news in Asia, the first public securitization in Australia since the advent of the U.S. subprime credit crisis is coming to market in the form of a prime auto receivables-backed transaction from Oz's St. George Bank, according to Total Securitization. Crusade ABS Series 2008-1 is worth 337 million Australian dollars and will be issued by Bank of New York Trust Company of Australia Limited in its capacity as trustee of the deal. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Capital Markets channel online and read the latest developments.